Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Um, Nice to have you guys here on this midweek market breakdown. So today I'll be showing you guys some charts that I've worked on, what I'm looking for tomorrow in the market, and we go on from there. So starting off with, let me confirm if my screen is being shared. Yeah, this camera a bit. Okay, let's go. So we're going to start from the Euro USD for the start. I gave you guys the setup on Monday. I missed the entry because I was not around when it happened. And from there, after that reversal candle, 91 pips. So I'll teach you guys some new tricks on how I execute trades. How I'm going to be executing my trade. I trade you guys this setup. On our Telegram, you see, I gave you guys, we are looking for reversal right here to sell all the way to the low right here. So that's happening already. So what are we looking for? I'm still bearish with the USD in terms of market structure. As you can see, this is the downtrend. If you go to higher time frame, everything is pointing to the downside. Every damn thing is pointing to the downside. See, we have on the higher time frame, we have lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high, and you might see some lower low today. And looking at the 4-hour chart, it's clear. So we have equal lower highs right there. And then these are things I've been taking notes of in the market, looking for double tops in a downtrend and looking for double bottoms on an uptrend. So these are things I've tested, and the results are very, very massive. Massive results we're going to be getting from this. Let's start for that for now. But for now, what are we looking for? And we can see obviously we have this highs right here, which is our lower high, and then price gave us a low, and then we have a new low right here now, which is lower low, lower high, sorry. This is the new lower high to me. And then if price can reject from this low, then we'll see price rejected before, definitely we're going to get a little buy right there. So I've been looking to buy from here. So I've been looking for any buy setup, any reversal candle on the 15 minutes time frame. Reversal pattern on the 15 minutes time frame. I'll execute the trade right there. So we're going to buy to get a lower high so we can continue to sell. So for me, if I'm taking that trade, I'm still bearish with the EU. But if I'm executing that trade, then definitely I won't be risking much because I'm going against the trend for now. So we are still on a downtrend until we break this high right there. So we are looking for a sell, but then we can get a short time buying opportunity coming in because you can see prices already at that low where we rejected before, and then you can see our RSI in almost all time frames, 2-hour time frame is at the oversold territory. Not a good place to buy. You want to see some pullback. So if we get a reversal on lower time frame, I'll be looking to buy to the corrective phase, and then I'll have it in mind that I'll be taking profit anytime soon. Here's the CHF price versa, we are looking to see how price is going to come down to 618. This is a clear uptrend. We've seen price created a higher low right there, and then we failed to break below this low. So price came today again, and then we rejected from there. So right now, since we broke this high, that means yes, we are actually trending up with it. So we need some correction for a continuation to the upside. So this is just where we're going to see some rejection if possible, but then we use that as our take profit because we might be seeing some rejection there. EU, my setup, and my setup since on Monday still remains the same. On Wednesday, patience is the key. You have to wait for this. This was my markup I sent to you guys on Monday. So it's Wednesday now. Still waiting to see price come back to this low of seen rejection before in the past, and then any reversal candle, I'll be looking to take that trade. Okay, because you can see on daily time frame, this is an uptrend for me. And then you can see how candles are coming down correctively to that zone. So it's an uptrend for me. 2 hour time frame, corrective movement to that zone. So I'm looking to buy today. EJ, EJ, this one, I posted this one also, but then it didn't give us any correction on lower time frame. You see, this guy just keep dropping and dropping and dropping. Like this one was like, oh yeah, come on, still dropping. So with that being said, we're looking at where is EJ. We have a low right there, which is more like a target we're looking at. But then you can see the lovely shifting momentum. So we have lows right here, previous higher low, and price has broken. We have lower highs, right here. So downtrend, trending down, we need to come to create a new lower high for a continuation to the downside. So I'm looking for a sell signal on this, but then I'm not interested in selling at the low price. Let price pull back when it starts, GBP USD, this one using similar thing. Price just keep going down. You can't sell now, chasing the market because we already at that oversold territory, just like I've told you guys. We need some correction. All this one market is doing Shakara is going to correct definitely. So we might get some correction, push to the upside, and then if we reject, now I'm looking for another rejection, which is a double top in a downtrend. So sell just like what we had right here. So I was expecting price to come back here, but then you have to pay attention to other time frame also. You might have some areas right there, just like this one, where you've seen price rejected before, and you just keep pushing from there, just like what we had here, where the tops and then price drop to the downside. So this is an uptrend, looking for double, 1, 2, blah blah blah. So it works on all time frames as well, but then because we are already at the oversold territory, I'd love to see a higher time frame double tops or any correction to execute this. This one I've been correcting for weeks now, but then I'm still anticipating price to come back to the zone. We've seen rejection, so we'll see what price going to do around here because there's a downtrend. Obviously, this is the 4 hour time frame. We had double tops and impulse, so this is a downtrend. You can see from all of this place as well. So let price come to that zone, we get some rejection, and then 3. Downtrend, clear downtrend on all time frame. Price did exactly what I wanted. I want to see strong rejection first right there, and then we got that. Now I'd love to see price come back to that zone, and we can see. So GJ, I don't know why these guys are just going down. Come on, at least give us some correction because so this is GJ, my guy. Lovely flags on 2 hour right here with 20 MA. Totally missed this one. Why? Because I was expecting this push to get to this zone. I posted on the group. I was looking to sell from that couple of same price rejected right there before. So I was looking to, so I mixed that one with just some pips. And then price breaks the flag, it posted me, and I was like, damn, I missed this. So I was looking to, I'm looking how it really was right now. Still looking for some rejection at the next low. I've seen rejected there before, and let me see how price. This is just charging to me. By the time we wake up, you might see push up and then looking to sell. And that's what still remains the same. This one gave me 80 pips. I took 80 pips from this trade for a very long time. I haven't really gotten such pips. I do get 40, highest 50 pips, but then 20, 30, but this one gave me 80 pips. I told you, say I posted it on the group for you guys, double bottom, but then I took it on a small account, so we didn't really make much profit from it. So this is a double bottom on an uptrend, just like what I've explained to you guys. Up, then same price rejected here one time, and then so I'm expecting price to push to the upside, but then JPY and pounds is very, very weak. As you can see, all pounds are dropping, so look, stop loss is on break even. the trade that is still running. So whichever way we want to see what's going to happen. On the 15th, still looking corrective. So I took my entry on this trade, it's a double bottom on higher time frame, and then I took my entry when we had this double bottom right here. We have rejection, and then this immediately that candle closes. I took the trade with my stop loss below, and then started pushing up. That's it for me. So I was expecting a small correction, so we can continue with the price retrace totally. I couldn't add more position because it's a retrace almost back to entry. So guys, we'll see about how that will develop. You can't say at the low, all these guys are gone already and wait for correction, and that's why today might be very slow on USD. So if you're trading USD, you want to be careful today. So might get push up with rejection again, blah blah blah. So NZD JPY right here. I just wanted to show you guys this. I marked up this last week while I was still testing this because I had to go back to my previous videos to learn and all. So I marked this up. Something I learned from Adesi Duncan back then when I was still learning from IMF. So she said, price love to come to areas 2 times. And then I made a video of that for myself. So I was watching my personal videos because I do learn from myself a lot. So she said, price love to reject, let's say this is an area of value, for example. So price love to come there 1 time, reject, and then come the 2nd time. And that 2nd time will always be the one that will come with a big move, to your direction. So it's something I've tested back then. And then right now I want to start applying it to my trading strategy. And then I'll make sure I do a video for you guys concerning value flags and not value flag. And that'll be by the weekend. It's going to help you guys a lot, especially when you apply this to your trading style, and then you know what flag. I don't have to be worried about. I saw it there because at the end of the day, there are thousands of flags in the market. Well, you're going to be a fool if you don't really know which one is valid and which one is not valid. So me personally also, I have learned from the video that I'm going to make for you guys, because I already have it all in my head. I've learned from them, and now I know that, oh man, these are the flags I'm looking for. These are the kind of flags that I tend to play out rather than taking every single flag that are in the market. Okay, so I had this right here last week. Market that zone up. Weak body of candle, it's a zone. That's why you guys see blue stuff like this. That's why I come about it. And then I wanted to see how this particular one will play out. So like, I want to see it happen by face. I did SDJPY and SDAUD. JPY. The AUD JPY did break up, fake out a little bit, and then came back. So this one rejected exactly at that zone. So it was a nice push to downside correction. The first correction don't have to be a perfect flag always. If you guys have learned from my lesson, and then we got that huge drop. So right now we need is a big movement in the market. Like this such a movement, you check when was the last time it happened. It's been a long time we had such push. Impossible. We don't get this every day in the forex market. So when we have something like this, usually we need a correction, not a shallow correction this time. We need something big, like we have a big flag or so, or another double top from this downtrend. We need to wait for something big. We can't chase this kind of movement and wait 15 minutes time frame to look for 15 minutes flag. Like, you have to know when to apply everything. Okay, because this guy is not even correcting, like it's just dropping. So you want to wait for deep pullback to execute any trade here. Okay, AUD same thing everywhere. We need some deep pullback also because of huge movements that happen. So gold, I gave you guys this earlier on, and this was the zone where I was looking to sell from. That was like area where we've seen price rejected before the previous the previous lower high right there. this lower highlight here up lower than this low. So if price could come back and then we're looking for sell, but then we make it there, it's rejected. Why? Because we had some lower time frame that created a down box also. You can see we have this right here, price corrected here. So but I wasn't really interested in that because I was looking at the higher time frame structure to see if we could just make it a little bit there, do some rejection, and execute basically with my stop loss above the structure to take this back to the lower idea. It's gone. So we missed this one. We may not really miss it. We'll be looking for better offers on gold. So for now, we might get some, since we've broken the structure and this one also. So we might get some deep pull back to come back to this one finally on gold. So we'll wait to see how that's going to happen. What is this NAS? Okay, I'm just looking for a double bottom on NAS to buy. Oh, I'm feeling sleepy, guys. It's like it's 1 a.m. BTC USD double bottom. I posted this earlier on the 4 hour time frame. You can see we had the top touch rejection right there. You see, price rejected 1 time here, 2, and then 3rd time. But then we have structure. This is an uptrend. This is the previous 4 hour structure. So we can only start selling like Bitcoin can be on the downtrend after we break out of the structure. So if we get any break of this structure, then we know that yeah, Bitcoin is bearish. We can start selling. We can start selling because we have already broken the previous higher low. Okay, so this is a potential equal higher low. So equal the higher low, which is also a double bottom. We have the scoop relation right there. And you can see, just like how I told you guys that how I execute the GDP CHF trade is the same thing I'm looking for on Bitcoin. I already got some Bitcoin withdraw on my like Google's rate. I'm ready to fund my Bitcoin wallet just to take advantage of this movement. Because you can see I'll be anticipating Bitcoin to spike up and move 61K, once you get 65 or something. But then the time is now. We had that double bottom, and then we are going to get a potential double bottom for the double bottom, which is a pattern within pattern, as you can see. That's what I'm expecting waiting for Bitcoin to come in on 15 minutes. As soon as I spot any rejection, yeah, I'll execute that trade and need to take it back to the high. And then price breaks, possibly that's any correction, then you wait for a correction for a continuation to the downside, but it might be a fake out. That's why you want to wait for a correction. But to me, I'm pretty much bullish with the Bitcoin. So that's it for now, guys. We'll get some rest, and this is the midweek breakdown for you guys, LF9 students. I'll keep you guys updated on the chats when I'm up in the morning. I need to get some sleep without it because I have been reading, so I need to sleep. So have a good night, guys. Make sure you win while you're trading. It's very, very important. Bye.